What if the Torah is not just a book, but a mirror reflecting our soul's look? A tantalizing question, is it not? The Torah, more than ink on parchment, more than stories of old. It's a labyrinth of wisdom, a tapestry woven with threads of universal truths. It's an enigma, a puzzle that teases the intellect, beckoning us into its depths. So are we ready to embark on this journey to unravel the mysteries that lie within? In the next few minutes, we'll delve into a poetic exploration of this profound script. The Torah, a tome of wisdom ancient, its pages whispering secrets, constant and patient. It stands as a beacon, a lighthouse in time, its teachings unfading, its truths sublime. From Genesis to Deuteronomy, it spans a tapestry woven by divine hands. A testament of love, it does espouse a call to justice beyond the house. It speaks of righteousness, pure and true, a moral compass for me and you. A wellspring of wisdom, it does provide a path of virtue where love and justice coincide. Yet within its verses a duality exists, a dance between the divine and the human, enveloped in a heavenly mist. It talks of the spiritual, of God's grand design, yet it also touches the material, the human, the divine. It's a conversation, a dialogue between the earth and the sky, a testament of our journey, our quest to understand why. Its teachings, though ancient, ring true today, a timeless guide showing us the way. It delves into the depths of the human soul, shedding light on our purpose, our role. It explores the complexities of our existence, the paradox of our persistence. It's a mirror held up to our face, a reflection of our virtues, our disgrace. It's a call to introspection, to self-discovery, a journey into our own mystery, for within its verses we find a mirror reflecting our own virtues and error. But what does it mean to truly embody its teachings clean? Let's journey inward, to the corners of the soul unseen. To live by the Torah is to walk a path, both challenging and serene. It's a dance of balance between the world of now and the ancient scene. Consider a river flowing unceasingly towards the sea. It carves its path through rock and valley with an unwavering decree. So too, the Torah calls us to carve our path through life with a heart full of glee. It's not a simple task to live by laws so vast. With every sunrise and twilight's last, it's a commitment to the past. Yet in this revered endeavor, we find a joy that's unsurpassed. The Torah is not a relic etched in stone and time. It's a living, breathing narrative, a melodious, timeless rhyme. It's about the human experience, about the climb, the fall, the sublime. To live by its principles is to embrace a life of meaning. It's about kindness, about justice, about constantly gleaning. It's about love, it's about sacrifice, it's about the art of seeing. What is your relationship with this text, you might ask? Are its teachings a guiding light or an overwhelming task? Do they resonate with your heart or do they wear a mask? To truly embody its teachings is a journey of the heart. It's about finding the divine in the mundane, about playing your part. It's about navigating life's labyrinth with the Torah as your chart. The Torah beckons us to ponder, to question and to explore. It encourages us to seek truth, to knock on every door. It's not about blind faith, but about a love that's at the core. So let's delve into this manuscript with a curious and open mind. Let's question, let's ponder, let's see what we might find. For the Torah's wisdom is not confined, it's a treasure for all of mankind. The Torah's wisdom is not distant or aloof, it's found in our choices, under our own roof. So take these words, let them ignite a spark, let them guide you through the light and the dark. Let the verses of this ancient text, your thoughts and actions, next direct. For those who seek a path of wisdom, let the Torah become your kingdom. From Genesis to Deuteronomy, each verse a wellspring of autonomy. Let this be your call to action. Let the Torah be your satisfaction. Let its teachings deep within you seep to awaken minds that in slumber sleep. And if you thirst for more of this wisdom pure, subscribe and let your journey endure. For each verse we explore brings more insight in store, a treasure trove of knowledge to adore. So let's delve deeper, let's quest for more, let's unlock the Torah's hidden door. Subscribe now for more insights profound and let the wisdom of the Torah in your life resound.